Welcome back to AutoBuzz TV. Today, we're excited to take a closer look at the Meetone Breeze, an electric tricycle camper that's designed for comfort and convenience. This camper is perfect for daily driving, weekend getaways, or even full-time living. The Meetone Breeze features a sleek and modern design, with a spacious interior and advanced technology features. You'll enjoy the comfortable seating area, storage compartments, and advanced safety features. The camper is also equipped with a powerful electric motor, making it easy to maneuver and tow. One of the key highlights of the Meetone Breeze is its affordability. With a starting price of around $3,000, it's an attractive option for anyone on a budget. The camper is also designed to be eco-friendly, with a battery-powered system and solar panels. In terms of features, the Meetone Breeze has a lot to offer. You'll enjoy the advanced technology features, comfortable seating area, and spacious storage compartments. The camper is also designed to be easy to maintain, with a simple and durable design. Overall, the Meetone Breeze is a great option for anyone looking for a reliable and affordable electric tricycle camper. With its advanced technology features, comfortable seating area, and eco-friendly capabilities, it's definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to AutoBuzz TV for more automotive news and reviews.